everyone, I am Alberto D. Zanaraza Jr. from First Asia Institute of Technology and Humanities, BSHRM 3rd year, and you are watching Cooking Demo. Here are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, lemon juice, garlic, salt, browned chicken cubes, wine, capers, olive oil, parsley, pepper, shallots, and butter, and of course the pork chop. First things first, we need to have a mise en place. First, okay, let's go. First, add a combination of salt, pepper, and a garlic. Dredge the pork in breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour. Let's go. In the meantime, make a simple sauce with the lemon juice and 1/2 cup chicken stock. Lemon juice and chicken broth. And after that, then over a medium-high heat, add the pork chops. For about 5 minutes. Then turn over until golden brown. Then turn over until golden brown. Then add the lemon juice and chicken stock. And let it mix. Let it boil. Add it to mixed bowl. Then add caper to add saltiness to the sauce. Capers to add saltiness to the sauce. sauce in a pot and the caper, and finish with chopped up fresh parsley. And the result, a moist tender pork chop that has so much flavor, I promise.